Hello gamers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be playing some Tower of Fun. So in this game I should just complete many obbies. So I just fell down from the yellow thing. So I almost did the first part of the yellow one. So let's skip one jump. And I reached like the last part of this obby. So I'm almost in the red stage, and yes, now I'm in the second level. So we should just jump on these plus things or circles. So I just need to jump on it, but not the shiny things because they can kill me. So we are almost here, and now in the third level. So what should we do in this? So I just came on the red stage, so I respawned again. So let's just go little top. So I'm just skipping some jumps for shortcuts, but it's okay. And I reached till the second part of the grey stage. So I just need to jump over these shiny things. So I'm almost here, one last jump, and now I'm in the green level. So I should just jump across the middle ball. So I've jumped till this part, but I just came on the ball. I have 6 minutes and 40 seconds right now. So I need to complete 14 or 15 levels in that much time. So I just came down. So how will I go up now? So is this some problem happening? Because I'm not at all respawning. So should I do the whole obby again? So I'm trying to fall and respawn, but it's not happening. So I'll try to do the obby from the starting. So we need to skip a bit parts, and also we should do some speed running because we are running out of time and we spend a lot of time in the first attempt. So now I got an idea of doing these levels, so I hope that I don't fall now. Also I need to, so I just went inside the circle. So why am I not respawning? So I'm not at all respawning for 5 times. So I just have about 5 minutes now. So I think it's some problem in the server only. So I need to do it really very fast. I know that I can't complete it in just 4 minutes 50 seconds. I need more time, but we'll have to do this only. So I'm just skipping some parts of the obby. So I just came on the third stage again. So we should take many shortcuts. Oh, so just now I respawned. And now I came in the green stage after 3 minutes. So I wasted much time there. So I'm coming to this place, and this was the place I died in the last match or last time I tried. So I came till here and we are halfway. So I just need to walk this round thing to the blue line, and I came to the blue level also. So let's just do a very fast speed run. Oh, but I accidentally touched the laser. So I again came to this part, and now we should just jump over these. So I'll climb this ladder, and I've entered the next stage. So I think like I'm on top 5 right now. So we are here now, and now I should just jump, and after dodging these obstacles we should climb the ladder till the next stage. So I just crashed on the blue one and could not climb the ladder. So let's try it again. So we are doing it. So we have only like 2 minutes and 30 seconds till now. So it's good that I'm respawning now. Otherwise I could never finish this tower. So we are here right now. So I again came to this place, but now I die mostly. So I came on the blue level, just 2 minutes remaining. Oh, and we got a badge for finishing half of the tower. So if there are 14 stages, so we did only half till now. So we should do more half in just 1 minute and 50 seconds. So I'm taking a really big shortcut. So I'm just skipping most of the part and taking the shortcut. So I'm on the cyan type of color. So again I just spawned in the bottom. So now will I respawn after 5 minutes again? So I know that I can't do this tower now, because I'll respawn after like 1 or 2 minutes, or I won't respawn only in this round now. So let's just try to do something in just 1 minute. So we came in the half part of the orange level. So I did this level for 4 to 5 times. So I did the half tower but could not do more. Maybe I could do the full tower if I would respawn. So will I respawn when it's like 1 second remaining? So we just fell and only 10 seconds remain. So I don't want to respawn now. And the time is up. So the next round. So I hope that I respawn properly in this round. Otherwise, I'll never be able to complete this tower of fun. So we are jumping properly right now. So we are just jumping around the walls. And first level complete. Oh, and this was the same level as last time. So I've did this many times, so I should do it quickly. So guys, I just completed one level in about 30 to 40 seconds. So I have much time now. And in inside 1 minute I just completed 2 levels. But here comes the difficult one. So I just need to dodge these obstacles. So from where do we go? So till now I'm safe. So we are good till here and maybe completed. So we just finished 3 entire stages in just 1.5 minutes. So we have 7.5 minutes remaining and we are like 5 stages maybe, and now we are doing the 6th one. Also we should jump. So let's just complete this level in like 6.5 minutes remaining at least. So we need to look at the time so we can do it faster. So just now I respawned at the bottom, but finally I came here. So we have 6 minutes. Also I again came at the bottom of this tower. So I think everyone came down. So is this a new thing in Tower of Fun that if we don't respawn, then we respawn at the bottom of the tower? So I should again do all these things. So I was like almost on the half. And I could do it like in 6 minutes remaining, but we had to do it again completely. So do they want me not to complete this tower? So we again came on the second level, but we just fell. So I'm doing this for the 4th time. So we should again jump through the corners of the wall. So guys, 5 minutes 40 seconds to go. And we are just completed half of the first level, but I'm not respawning. So will I again respawn in 1 minute remaining? So we should again try this whole tower. So guys, I don't think so we'll be able to do this tower again. So why didn't I jump? So guys, only 5 minutes to remain. And we are just at the bottom of this tower. So I again have to jump here around the walls. So I don't want to take any risk in this match. I'll jump slowly, but I don't want to fall down. So we are here again. And we just have to jump on these pluses and circles. So we are here now. So I don't want to fall again. So this was the same stage where I was struggling. Oh, so finally I respawned, but oh yeah, this was the stage where I could not respawn for a long time. So finally, when 3 minutes and 40 seconds are remaining, I just respawned to my original place. Oh, but again I came at the bottom. So what is their problem? Why are they not letting me do this? So I again have to do the whole tower. So it's impossible to do it in like 3 minutes if we face so much problem by not respawning. So I'm just doing a very quick speed run, but I just fell down again and I again did not respawn. So is there some update going on, because I'm not just respawning? So I'm just jumping two things at one time. So we again have to jump on pluses and circles. And now I came on the black level. So I think this was the place where I respawned properly in the last time. Yes guys, whenever I'm dying in the black level, I respawn back to my original level. So let's do it now. So I came till here and level complete. So now we are at the orange level. Yeah, so finally I respawned properly. So we came till here. Oh, so we should go from this side. So we are almost there till the next level. Just 1 minute 35 seconds to go. And we are just jumping through the sides. Also, I again respawned properly, so it's good now. But I don't think I'll respawn always now. So we are near the ladder, so we should just avoid the shiny things. So I need to do like 4 stages now. Oh, so there is a guys, I again came at the bottom. So I need to do 14 stages in 50 seconds. So this cannot be done. So let's just try however we can do. So we are almost here at the blue one. But we keep falling on the same part. So just 25 seconds more. So guys, this will be the last round after 15 seconds. So let's just waste our time down. Or let's try to reach the first stage. And time's up guys. So bye guys, I'll meet you back in another video and in another game. Bye.